Okay, we are live. All right, go ahead, Nancy.
Okay. Okay, so now I can start, right?
Yep.
Okay, yeah, okay. So because the kind of feedback I'm going to give to you actually is very general. Okay, so which only try to help you to make your presentation is easier to follow by so-called outsiders.
Yes, of course.
Since
Yeah.
we're not in the same field. Okay.
Yeah.
So my first suggestion that will be you probably want to start with a bigger picture to introduce maybe just 5 minutes in talking about all these different groups in your big map. Okay, in talking about their relationships. So such as this one and that one, what are the relationships and the flow? Okay, the way how you are going to go around. Okay, so like a flow chart, that type of stuff. So that's the first thing. And then the second thing I will suggest, because like each core or each cluster, you will have a major thing in there. So I would suggest maybe the major thing you give some highlight. Some highlight, maybe color, the background color or something, just highlighted. That way people will know, okay, which one is the core. So they can follow the core very easily and what is around the core.
Okay. Can I respond?
Yes, sure.
I've tried, again, this is a limitation of the software. I have color-coded things. For example, this is orange here, and this is orange here.
Okay.
This is red here, and this is red here. But inside the bubble, I can't actually color things.
Okay.
So you see that, like,
got you.
Here, I can't actually change the color.
Oh, okay.
Actually, I could draw things.
Or maybe to draw a line for the important letters.
Yeah, I need to think about this. Yeah.
So only lines.
Let me see.
So this is the limit of this kind of a software, right?
Yeah. Let me see.
And just to put the line
okay.
Words,
oh, cool.
Yeah.
Oh, cool.
So this is a limitation. I can't actually, like, highlight things.
Got you.
Yeah.
Okay, so now I understand. Then how about the color of those fonts, those letters?
I can't change the colors of the letters. I can only change
the color. Oh, you can only change the so-called frame, right? The color
I can change the color of the frame. Yeah.
Okay. Okay, got you. So okay, then forget about that one. Then if that's the case, then how about capitalized? I mean, get it like a very black and thick. Can you do that? Can this software do it?
Yeah.
Like the words that make it bolded.
That's a better idea. Hold on a sec. I can actually change the size of this. Let me change the size of this. And make it bigger. Hold on.
Yes, like this. Yes, great. Yes. Yes. Wonderful.
Okay. I need to figure out which ones I actually want to do then. Which words I need to highlight.
Yes.
Yeah. Okay, good.
Yes,
which words do I want to highlight?
But I will suggest the words you put in the middle as a core. Which words? Yeah, wonderful. Okay. Yeah, and I would suggest the core basically should be the one should be highlighted. So all the focus will be in the core. So if in this case, such as like this one, these two, they're parallel. Okay, two, they're parallel.
Yeah.
If they are parallel, then it's a little bit difficult.
Yes.
Difficult to choose.
Yeah. It's hard to.
If it's a report.
Yeah, it's hard to check what the focal point is. Yeah. So like when you're looking at all of this stuff, what exactly is the focal point here? What is the center? Yeah. Okay.
Right.
Yeah,
okay. And also, how about these lines? Can these lines add like an arrow on one end?
No, there are no arrows.
No arrows.
Yeah.
Okay.
On Prezi, there are arrows. See, like this, there are arrows.
Yes, this one.
But on Poplet, there are no arrows.
Okay.
They just go to something else.
They're just lines.
Yeah.
Okay, got it. What kind of software you are using? Is it free software?
Yep.
Or you have to buy? Oh, it's free.
Yep. Go here. Go to poplet.com. Poplet.com.
Oh, okay. Poplet.com. Okay. Yeah, I would like to look closer over this one. This seems quite interesting.
Yeah.
Poplet.com.
Another good one. This is Prezi.
Prezi. Okay, how to spell Prezi?
Prezi.com.
Oh, Prezi.com. Got it. Okay. All right. So let me give you another suggestion.
Sure.
How about the marker? Can you, since you cannot really give the background color, okay, and including the word. So how about marker on these squares, like 1, 2, 3, 4? Can you give the marker? Like 1, 2, 3, 4.
Yeah.
So that way people, if it's in a cluster, it's too complicated, then you can give like 1, 2, 3, 4, so people can follow.
Number the squares.
Right. Number the squares so we can follow.
Okay. Because I've already organized them by color. As you can see, red, black, black. And then I can go even further and innovate and say, hey, why don't I add numbers inside and enlarge the font. Okay, good. Thank you.
Right. And one last thing, actually, when I was following your presentation, I found that sometimes it's jumping from different maps. Okay, from this one and jump to that one. Sometimes it jumps too fast. It kind of a no link. So this is the reason why I suggest in the very beginning, you want to give a full picture, a flow chart of all these different clusters. That way, even you jump, then your audience can follow. Yes, wonderful. You're so good.
I can show you what I've done. You see, I've numbered all of these things. So when I go into presentation mode, I jump from one thing to another thing, and then I can enlarge and zoom out. But when I try to reset and try to go back, I have to jump like this.
Oh, I see. Got it.
Well, when I jump like this, they aren't supposed to follow. Only when I zoom out. Only when I zoom out, then it's like, okay, let's take a look around us. But in order for me to get from here to, say, for example, here, I have to actually jump. It's like going through PowerPoint slides, right? Like PowerPoint.
How about when you try to jump, can you just zoom in first? Zoom, not zoom out. Okay, you just zoom, make it a very, very big picture. So it kind of like a faded gradually because they're smaller and smaller. And then use your mouse pointer to point to the ones you are going to talk. Will that help?
I think so. Here, let me see if I can actually do it.
Okay, you can try it. And let me see.
Zoom out right now.
Let me see in here. Yes. This is good. Okay, this is jump too fast.
That's a real jump. Well, I think that's
that's really done.
That's a constraint.
Yeah, shrink.
But
yes, this is good.
Letters, so maybe to put something. I was thinking colors, but it's not possible.
Ultimately, what I can do is show people here.
Like this way. Yeah, and then you point it to the next one you are going to
I'm going to go here, then here, then here, then here, here, etc. We're going to go around here, then we're going to go around here, go around here, go around here, go around here, then go around here.
Yes.
Hold on. Actually, I can even make it linear. Hold on a sec. I'm gonna make this linear. Okay, good. Thank you. That's a very good suggestion. Thank you, Nancy.
Yeah. Not a problem. This is why we are here, and we actually learn a lot.
Not as isolated.
Thank you.
Yeah. No worries. Do you have any suggestions, Sedenka?
Yeah, of course.
Okay. What are your thoughts, Sedenka?
More is, the content of your presentation.
Yeah.
First of all, you talk about the new definitions you are doing, like.
Speak up so she can hear.
Okay. You were talking about, for example, the technologies, and you call technology teaching and learning. You call, you say, we call it kind of technology. You explain something there that is teaching and learning is and technology, really, or maybe I understood bad. I don't know.
I don't understand what you're saying.
You call about pedagogical technologies, and you were explaining about the technology as a tool to change the things, and you were explaining, and you call technology to teaching and learning. Teaching and learning is a technology. No, maybe I understood.
Yes, teaching and learning is the core technology of a school. So, for example, a business is not a school, right?
Okay.
Like, for example, Apple Computer is not a school, is it? Why isn't it a school?
Yep.
So, teaching and learning is a kind of tool?
It's a technology. It's a way of doing things.
Way of doing things. Way of doing things.
So,
for me, it's a new approach, to understand that, to see teaching and learning as a technology.
It is a technology. It's the core technology. Just like how a business, the core technology is buying and selling things, right?
It's not a tool like a physical tool, but it's a kind of,
it's an abstract
tool. Yeah. Now
so we have to be careful. Tools can be metaphysical as well. So schools are in fact a type of technology. It's a way of doing things. It's a way of people gathering together and they do certain things. Just like a church is a technology and a hospital is a technology. Because even though they all comprise people and have physical things, what we do with all of these physical things and our ultimate objectives are different. Like a prison is not a school, right? But they're very similar because some of the technologies are the same.
Yep.
Yeah, you're right. Then you also talk about...
I agree with you, David.
Yes, you talked also about change, and you defined it what is going from what is known to what is unknown.
Yeah.
And there are different kinds of change, positives or negatives. And then from there you went to organizations, learning organizations, something like organizations learning, something like that.
Yep.
So, since your point of view, or change or learning is a change, or changing happens. Let me put it about change. Change happens when something or somebody is learning. Actually, change is learning.
Learning is a response to change.
Is the response to change. Yes.
So change is when we transition from what is known to what is unknown. And this transition is marked by uncertainty and ambivalence. And how an organization reacts to this change or approaches this change is learning.
The approach of the organization to the change, organization to change is the learning. Okay. Then another change happens, and okay. So how